welcome back to our channel. Quick guide. On today's video I'm going to show you how to stop Google Photos backup. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First, open the Google Photos app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Now launch the app and sign in with your Google account. Then on your screen at the top right corner, you're gonna find your user icon. Just tap on it. There you're gonna see backing up option right above account storage and right below your username. Now tap on it, then turn it off. And guys, that's it. That's how you turn off your backup on Google Photos. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.